How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. So if you want to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you just need to simply go with what's on your mind, and you can go with a reel. So for example, I'll be choosing a video, and then you can simply go with next, which is on the upper right, and you can simply go with share now and share that post or share that reel. Once you've shared, you can simply go with your profile, and here you will have your reel or your post, right? So to tag someone, what you need to do is simply go with the upper right of that post, which has that three dots, and from here you can go with edit post. Once you go with edit post, you will have this kind of interface from where you can simply go with the tag option, which will be on the bottom left. Tap on tag, and then you can choose the person that you would like to tag on your post or your reel. So simply choose a person, and then go back and tap on save, which is on the upper right, and this way you'll be able to tag someone on your Facebook reel after posting. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.